Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and in this video I'm going to share with you all a very authentic, delicious yet simple recipe, the stuffed okra. Now this is a very unique recipe in which I'm going to combine the poppy seed and the okra or the lady's finger. Traditionally this recipe is done with mustard paste, in which the okra is stuffed with mustard and onion and garlic paste, but in this recipe I'm just going to substitute the mustard with poppy seed, but trust me, it is equally going to taste great. So now let's check the recipe. And to make this yummy recipe, first here I will take 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds in a grinder or a blender, and to this I will add 1 tablespoon of dried melon seeds. Then I will add 1/4 of onion, 2 cloves of garlic and 1 to 2 green chilies. Next 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I will grind this to a fine paste. Do not add water to the paste, as you want this to remain thick in consistency. I'll add 2 to 3 pinches of roasted cumin powder and mix it nicely. The filling is ready and I will keep it aside. Now I will take 10 to 12 okra or lady's finger. Wash them thoroughly under water, pat them dry with a paper towel or a piece of cloth, and give an incision on the middle of the okra in its vertical line. Make sure you don't cut them into 2 parts. Now I will stuff the poppy seed paste filling in the okra using the back of a spoon, or you can simply use a butter knife. Prepare all of them and keep aside. And finally in a pan, I'll spray some oil or add 2 tablespoons of oil. And place the stuffed okra in it. Once done spraying oil, sprinkle salt to taste and a pinch of turmeric powder. And now I'm just going to cook this on the stove on medium to low heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Cover and let it to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Turn sides in between. And cook till the okra turn brown from all the sides. Now all you have to do is serve and enjoy it hot. So that was the recipe for stuffed okra. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. And I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. And for food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.